M5 discussion. What is your take on performance-based evaluations of teacher performance? Initial take. Prior to researching performance-based evaluations of teacher performance, I had never heard of it. However, initially it made sense to me. If we as educators have to use some sort of assessment to evaluate student performance, why would we not do the same for teachers? Though the thought of performance-based evaluations of teacher performance makes sense, I was left with one initial question. How could there possibly be a fair system that accurately captures a teacher's performance? Performance-based evaluations of teacher performance. It is vital for student learning to ensure that students are receiving a good education, engaging, and effective teaching. Robinson agrees when stating that having highly qualified, effective teachers in our nation's classrooms matter. According to Darling Hammond, teacher effectiveness has been found to be related to performance assessments. Darling Hammond argues that teacher performance assessments are a potent tool used for 1. Evaluating a teacher's competence, 2. Readiness, and 3. Supporting necessary changes in teacher education. Sawchuk explains, ideally, the findings from these evaluations are used to provide feedback to teachers and guide their professional development. Moreover, these evaluations are a key factor in professional and personal growth that leads to improved performance, which could help ensure that students are receiving the education they need and deserve. Teacher quality is positively linked with student learning, a primary reason for teacher evaluations. Another primary reason for teacher evaluations is accountability. Further, Robinson shares a theory of change for a teacher evaluation system, which I have listed below in Figure 1. Teacher evaluation systems enhance teacher practice and effectiveness, improve student learning and achievement. Issues. Though there are many benefits to teacher performance evaluations, as listed above, there are also issues with them as well. Rowdies mentions that measuring the proficiency of teachers is not an easy task. Robinson also mentions the difficulty in this task when stating evaluating teachers and teaching is an imperfect proposition at best, and one we've been struggling with for over 2 centuries. Some issues with teacher evaluations include validity, trust and privacy, equity, and time. Fortunately, both authors provide explanations to how to make these evaluations effective. First, Robinson suggests 7 steps leaders can take to improve teacher evaluations. 1. Understand the purpose of teacher evaluation. 2. Prioritize collaboration. 3. Identify and agree on common language. 4. Educate both leaders and teachers on the measures of data collection tools. 5. Educate evaluators on effective feedback. 6. Consider multiple evaluators and offer professional development connected to evaluation results. And 7. Get clear logistics. When discussing how to improve teacher performance evaluations, Rowdies suggests to include a balance of 3 essential factors. 1. A value-added method. 2. Students' opinions of their teachers. And 3. Teacher observation based on a model. Rowdies believes that a balance of these 3 essential factors allows for student administrators to obtain a clear understanding of what is going on in their school and how well students are being affected.